I finally got my hands on the Stanley Quencher. It's been one of the most talked about tumblers over the last few years, so I wanted to see what all the hype is about. Paid links below. Right out of the box, it feels solid, the handle is comfortable, and I already like how versatile the lid is. Stanley has been around for more than 100 years, making rugged steel gear for workers and campers. Ironically, this tumbler was almost discontinued because it wasn't selling well. Then a small shopping blog introduced it to a whole new audience, and it became quickly one of the most recognizable drinkware products around. What makes this quencher stand out is how practical the design is. Even with its large capacity, the taper base fits most car cup holders. The sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, and the stainless steel construction feels built for everyday use. The lid is one of my favorite features. I can drink through the reusable straw, remove it and sip directly from the opening, or rotate the cover closed to help prevent splashes while I'm on the go. But it is surprisingly versatile. I can definitely see why this tumbler became so popular. It feels well made, the design is thoughtful, and it really lives up to the hype. It also comes in a wide range of colors, and there are plenty of accessories like silicone boots, straw toppers, and handle charms if you want to make it your own.